Hi guys, I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So as you guys can see, I have a couple of packages here. One of these were actually launched or released last Friday, June 25th. And yeah, it was released online. I'm not sure in the store though. I'm not really sure about that. But anyway, I was able to pre-order this with my essay. And I did not expect that this one actually arrived earlier than I expected. So this is a small leather goods, and I have been like looking forward to add this in my collection. And wow, I was just totally astonished of how lovely this particular color that Louis Vuitton added in their collection. So anyway, yeah, I was totally stunned, you know. But because guys, Louis Vuitton with new items that they release, that they launch, usually when I did my pre-order, my items arrive, sometimes it arrive a couple of days earlier than its launch date or release. And sometimes it actually arrives like a week after its launch date. So anyway, here she is. Here he or she is. So this is it. So here comes. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this. So here comes. Okay. Here comes my pocket organizer. This is my very first pocket organizer from Louis Vuitton. And as I mentioned earlier, he or she, that's because this particular pieces, you could actually find this on a men's collection, in a men's line. So it's because, look at the color, look at the beautiful, beautiful neon yellow color. It's like I said he or she, it's because you could, I consider this one of their unisex pieces though. It's because of this pop of color. Wow, look how stunning that is. Oh my goodness, wow, look at that. The color is amazing. And this one is actually made up of a combination of canvas and a cowhide leather. Beautiful. So let's open inside. Look at that. A beautiful surprise inside. Another beautiful, beautiful fluorescent yellow color. Wow, it is stunning. It's gorgeous. At the back as well. Oh my gosh. Wow. So lovely. So, okay. So here's the product code. So M80779. This is for the neon yellow. Very nice. Okay. Also, this is just, okay. So I got the one that's made in France. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I can't get over how lovely this color is. Oh my gosh. So as you guys could see, I love the combination of colors. Look at that. Look at this monogram right here, and then the neon color. And also this one is actually lined with this cowhide leather in grained. Yeah, this one is grained. Wow, beautiful. I love it. Grain because it has texture. And then on the other side, right here in front, close it right here, as you guys could see, this one is also right here. The trim is also in cowhide leather as well, but this one is smooth, very smooth. So you guys can see, I'm going to give you a closer look of how smooth that is. Smooth. And then the grained leather right here, this one is textured. And yeah, once again, the smooth leather bothers me more than anything else. Why? That's because it's, I don't know, it's just because the smooth leather is actually prone with scratches. And I am so used to my small leather goods with with the grained leather, and I think the grained leather is actually more durable than the smooth leather. And yeah, I don't know, but this one is already perfect. It's gorgeous. But I don't even know why they even want to include this smooth leather right here. I don't know. And I'm so used to this grained leather. I have been, I think majority of my SLGs are mixed with a canvas and a grained leather, and they're holding up pretty nicely over the years. And yes, it is durable compared to the smooth leather. But anyway, regardless, look at that. Look at the stitching right there. It is also in neon yellow as well. Oh, lovely. Wow. So in this part where actually there is this beautiful pop of color, neon color, this one, the stitching is actually in neon as well. Whereas also here in the canvas, this one is also, the stitching is in brown, chocolate brown right there. Wow, the combination is amazing. So anyway, this one has those 3 card slots right here on this corner. 1, 2, 3. And on the website, as I was just reading it, because this is my very first pocket organizer from Vuitton, it says that there's a 5 pockets inside, aside from this 3 card slots right here. So let's take a look. So let's just take a look of those 5 that they were saying. So let me count. Okay, let's start with on this side. So this is a pocket right here. So this is 1. And then on this corner, there is another pocket right here. This is 2. Another pocket right here. 3. On this side, 4. And on this corner, 5. Indeed, there is 5 pockets inside, aside from this 3 card slots. Wow. So in total of 8 pockets though. But yeah, you could put your driver's license here, apparently, and then your cards right here. And also on this side, yeah, this side, and then this one as well. Yeah, actually, yeah, those cards actually looks great on this corner. Wow, I did not expect that this little tiny thing could fit 8 cards. Wow, I actually never expected that. I thought there was only 4 actually. And also, oh no, 4, yes, 6 initially. That's what I was thinking. But I didn't know that this one right here, you could put cards on this side. Wow, lovely. And I am told, look at the canvas, guys. The canvas has a very nice and rich texture and color in it. Wow, very shiny. Wow, very shiny. Look at that. Look at that. It's so lovely. Wow. Well, I would definitely gonna recommend this if you are, I mean, this is perfect for summer apparently. And wow. So right now, this one is actually released last Friday along with the Wild at Heart collection. That's a fall 2021 collection. And yeah, all of those collection, I mean, they are gorgeous. And yeah, also with this beautiful pop of color in neon yellow, they also have it in a Brazza wallet and all other stuff. But I am not really sure, I'm not certain when it's going to be available in the store. I believe on July 2nd. I'm not 100% sure about that. But yeah, I would suggest to get in touch with USA if you wanted to get this beautiful piece. And also this one is available in other colors as well, which is blue, which is more likely a dark blue. And the code for that is M80778. That is in the blue color. But I was looking at it online. It seems to look like the blue is more likely a dark blue, not a fluorescent or more likely a neon colors, not so bright as far as like looking at it at the website. But regardless, this is my preference. Just love it. Oh my goodness, I just can't get over how lovely. Oh, I forgot another thing. There is another pocket right here at the back. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So literally, if you wanted to fill this organizer with cards, credit cards, pretty much it could fit 9 cards, 9 on each of these slots. So as I mentioned, I do not double my cards on each of these slots, definitely, because I don't want to damage my item, and also right here on the slots. But I love the fact that this one is grained. It is so much, it's more durable than this smooth leather right here. But regardless, look at the pop of color on this side, and you open it, wow, beautiful. So yeah, this is the pocket organizer. This particular piece, I believe this one was already manufactured maybe after March. I'm not really sure. That's because there's no date code anymore. I mean, anything that was actually, they said that anything that was manufactured or crafted after March of this year, they no longer have a date code. And this one doesn't have a date code at all. No date codes. And and this one has a microchip. So this is microchip piece, which is, I am still not really like comfortable having those microchip in my pieces. I still love the old traditional date code, but well, what else can we do? But anyway, I also have another item here. I also pick up this item here, and this one is, it is on this, oh, they put it in this paper, Louis Vuitton tissue paper. Okay, how can I take this one? Okay, so this one is actually wrapped beautifully. So let me show you what I also got. This is actually a new item, a new travel book from Louis Vuitton, and this one is actually, this is in Australia. Wow. As you guys could see right here, that is actually, look at the cover page. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. The cover page is actually the Australia's most iconic huge red rock of Uluru. Wow, so beautiful. So as you guys can see, the Uluru right here is actually made up of a sandstone about 500 million years old. Wow, what a lovely and beautiful formation right there. Yeah, I am so excited for this new addition in my collection. So as you guys, okay, let me just open this. As I have mentioned in my previous videos, that I am actually collecting the all the travel books from Louis Vuitton, and they are definitely, and they're totally worth it. Love their travel book, and I am so close on completing in my collection. But so I just really wanted to share this one, and it's beautiful. It is lovely. Just gonna show you a little. Oh, the orange color is, oh, lovely. So this is how it looks. Oh wow, this is such a colorful book, guys. Wow, beautiful. This one is retailed around, if I'm not mistaken, I think 56 US dollars. Yeah. Anyway, I also want to say hi, a shout out to all my friends and viewers in Australia. Hi, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, this is actually available on the website right now. Wow, I'm so excited. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.